Hi, I'm Gary Elm with Vision Engineering, and today we're doing a review of the Vision Engineering Lynx EVO stereo zoom microscope. The Lynx EVO is Vision's generation 6 of our projected image dynoscope, giving you full stereo imaging without the need for eyepieces. This system features a 10:1 zoom, yields 6 to 60 times magnification with a 1x objective. There are multiple objectives available to lower that magnification or increase it, giving you both longer working distances or higher magnification, whatever is required for the job. The system features LED lighting, which is rheostat controllable, so you can dim or brighten it to the subject requirements. In this version, it also has the ability to have transmitted light, so if you want surface illumination and backlighting, certainly capable of the system. We can adjust a built-in diffuser to affect how the LED lighting hits the subject, helping to get rid of glare on very shiny subjects. In this instance, we have it set up with a 0.62 objective, yielding over 5 inches of working distance and a magnification range of 4 to 37 times. Very common range used in general inspection of mechanical parts, electronic components, also with good working distance, very good for rework or assembly of small components. And in case I failed to mention it, the Lynx EVO is the most ergonomic stereo zoom microscope available on the market today. Unlike traditional eyepiece scopes, which limit the operator's freedom of movement, the Lynx EVO lets them work in a very ergonomic working position. We offer very large exit pupils for freedom of head movement, all while maintaining a high quality stereo image. Operators can work with corrective lenses or full face shields in hazardous environment. These features all yield greater operator comfort, which results in greater throughput.